Hey folks, happy handpanuary. Today's theme is ease tension. So I've chosen a chord progression that starts off feeling quite tense and then resolves to chord 1 so that you can kind of release that tension there. There's a little bit going on. There's chord, there's groove, there's melody. So we've got those 3 parts to play around with. So take your time with it. If you need to pause, rewind, great. If you need to slow down the video, you can do that in the video settings. If you need the notation for this, you can find it on Patreon, whatever you need. If you need somebody different to explain it, if you need to ask a community, you can join the WhatsApp group for handpanuary. Yeah, let's dive right in. So we're starting with a G minor chord, which is, I don't often do on a D Kurd. So we've got the B flat here, which is note 2, and then we're playing all the way up here, note 7. Yep, note 7, which is a G. Right, so we're playing G, and also we're in 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The next chord that we're going to play is A minor, so we've got note 1 and 5. So it's this shape. So all of these shapes are quite stretched out. We're not playing the middle notes for these. So we've got G, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the next chord is going to be our D minor, our home chord. And for this we'll play note 1 and note 4. 2, 3, and again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. G, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. D. We've arrived. Release that tension. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, and 3, 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 4, 5, 6. And on that end of the 3, we're going to put some dings in there. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, and 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, and 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Let's enjoy that spacious pattern for now. And 3. And on those last 2, we'll put that tack in there, just on this D minor chord. Of course, there are many different layers to this, so if that feels like enough of a challenge for you, stop there. Don't watch the rest of this video. Just use that for your next 15 minutes of practice, however much time you have. Just enjoy being in that space. Enjoy that chord progression. However, if you're ready for the next step and you want some melody in there as well, keep watching and you can add that to your pattern as well. Okay, so I need to look at my notes here. I can't remember. Of course. So the melody is actually very simple, just moving down the scale. The first time we play our 8, which for some of us that might be our highest note, 8, 7, 6, and then the next one we play 6, 5, 4. We're just moving down the scale basically. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. It happens at the end of the bar, right? So 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, and 3, 6, 5, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. Try it again. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. Let's try it again. Ready? 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, and 3, 6, 5, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. So with the chords, it goes 1, 2, 3. 1, lots of ways that you can play around with that once you get it. And the same goes for all of the other patterns that we'll learn throughout handpanuary. I really invite you to take the pattern, use it to just get into whatever space you need to get into. But then if you're finding it fairly easy and you've had that time to just meditate with it and flow with it, then why not? Why not practice? Why not stretch yourself a little bit? Why not step out of the comfort zone a little bit and try to explore with it and improvise with it? So that's my invitation to you. Yeah, and I'll see you tomorrow, or I'll see you in the group. And I wish you a wonderful day.